Hey guys, welcome to my channel. First ever YouTube video, something I've always wanted to do. Always kind of liked unboxing videos, seeing what other guys were doing with their model aviation stuff. So just thought I'd give it a try. Just doing this with an iPhone 13 Pro, so bear with me, and if you like it, great, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, well, I guess I'll get over it. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a Desert Aircraft DA120. It's going in a Skywing ARS 300 version 3. It's a 102-inch aircraft from Skywing. So without any further ado, let's take a look at this. Got this from Extreme Flight here not too long ago, guys, so they were great to deal with. Looks like we've got a owner's manual. Plenty of good information in here. Obviously, if you got any questions, DA is top-notch for service. But we'll definitely be going through this. Make sure we do everything by the book. All right, looks like we've got a couple mufflers here. Very nice quality. Looks great. Spot for smoke injector if you're choosing to do that. I probably will not on this plane, but yeah, looks very nice. And the other very similar. All right. Looks like we've got a connector to go to the ignition module. Nothing fancy there. Gaskets, socket-headed cap screws, smoke nozzles. Looks like we got some washers in there. I typically don't run the gaskets. I generally go with the red high-temp silicone. Just kind of smear a little bit on this flange and a little bit on the exhaust flange. Mount the mufflers, kind of put them on there hand tight. Run inside, get a coffee or a fashionable adult beverage, whatever you want. Give it a few minutes to set up, and then go ahead and do your final torque. Also got some spare spark plugs, NGK CM6, prop guide, prop jig, whatever you want to call it, drill bit, and the pin that goes along with it. So this looks like it's going to be our ignition module. Spark plug leads. Everything looks like you would expect from DA, just great quality. Very nice. And for the grand finale. Absolutely gorgeous engine. It's almost a shame to put this under a cowling and cover it all up. Got a Walbro carburetor. A very nice crankcase. Obviously that is a billet crankcase. Desert Aircraft engraved on there. Very nice. Just a beautiful work of art. So yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. I might do some more unboxing videos. We'll see how this goes. Thanks again for watching. Take care, guys.